Do you struggle to handle work meetings and presentations with social anxiety? Stay with me for less than 1.5 minutes of something interesting for you. First, prepare thoroughly for your meetings or presentations because knowing your material well can boost your confidence. Second, practice your speaking points ahead of time because familiarity reduces anxiety. Third, arrive early to get comfortable with setting because being in familiar space can ease nerves. Fourth, take deep breaths before you start because it helps to calm your mind and reduce stress. Fifth, focus on friendly faces in the room because this can make the experience feel more personal and less daunting. Sixth, remember that it's okay to pause and think during the talk because it shows you are considerate and thoughtful. Lastly, after the meeting or presentation, reflect on what went well because it reinforces positive outcomes and prepares you for next time. Remember, each time you face your fear, you are building your social confidence and getting better. Stay tuned for more.